Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice and confusing math problem which literally many people thought that the answer for this one is 10%, and trust me, that is wrong. Let's first understand what is the question. The question is A's income is 10% more than B. How much less is B's income than A? Then lot of people thought that what do you need to calculate? They thought that directly the answer has to be 10%. But you will realize that when you start calculating these things, the answer doesn't come out to be 10%. Okay, so let's understand how do you begin solving these kind of questions. So now since they have not given us any income for A, let's take that, and obviously they have not given any income for B also. Okay, so what we'll do, let's take B's income. B's income as what? B's income be what? 100. Okay, so now A's income will be what? A's income will be what? 100 plus 10%, means 10 upon 100 into B's income, which is 100. Okay, so this becomes 100. This cancels, so I'll be left with 10. So final answer for A's income now comes out to 110. Now we need to find how much less. Okay, so again we need to take the difference between 110 and 100. So the difference is coming out to be 10. How much less B's income than A? Now see, understand, the comparison is to what? A. So here your denominator has to be what? 110 into 100. Lot of people thought that again you need to compare it with B. No, the comparison is between B and it is being compared to what? A's income. Therefore, 110 will come out in your denominator. So this then comes out to be 100 upon 11. So here your answer comes out to be 9.09%. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.